Hi everyone. Today's assignment is called Cell Architect Incorporated. It should already be in your OneNote. You are going to build a blueprint of a house that is inspired by a cell. So basically, it is going to be an analogy of a cell. If you will look at the criteria right here, it says your house design must include at least 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a living room. You may include other things in your house if you would like to. You must incorporate influences of the nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, cell membrane, and cell wall into your design plan. Since it has chloroplast and it also has a cell wall, that means that your analogy is going to be of a plant cell. On the brainstorm section right here, notice that on this copy, I've written cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Those must be included in your house drawing. I would like for you to use this area to kind of brainstorm ideas. Try to think of what parts of your house would be the analogy for the cell wall, the cell membrane, the nucleus, chloroplast, and mitochondria. Write those things down here. Down below, if you scroll down to the Explore part of it, this is where you can draw your house. Do not forget to label your cell parts. Notice it says, be sure to list how the function of each cell part influenced your design decision. You may include that up here if you would like. So on your cell, which is going to be your house, do not forget to label the different parts. You may label it kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, so forth, but also label it cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus, chloroplast, and mitochondria. If you have any questions, please be sure to email me and ask, and I'll be happy to help you. Good luck.